Howdy, Michael the Mercedes guy here, and this is another shifter bushing. As you can see, it's round on the outside, and it's actually rounded out on the inside. And see how sloppy that is? This is an automatic. This shifter bushing goes right here, and this thing gets sloppy loose. That's because that shifter bushing, there's what's left of it in pieces. So, to put this on, you force it over that ball, preferably using a socket and against something hard and a lot of force. Warm it up slightly with a heat gun or a hair dryer, and that'll push right over that ball. And then it's a lot tighter in here. Now, if you look at this carefully, it has a lip right here. This is smaller diameter than the other side. So it goes on this way with a larger diameter towards the handle, because that fits right in there. You can get these at the Classic Center. Alrighty.